Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going through the second part of decorators of functions. So in our last example, we had taken a decorator with arguments like this one, and we have also seen our decorators with no arguments. But what if we want to combine both the cases? So in one case, repeat will receive only the function, and uh, in the second case, the function will be none. So when we supply an argument, the function becomes none. But when we don't supply the argument, the function will be there. So how to handle this kind of situation? So in this case, the signature of repeat function will change. We say underscore func is equal to none and star, which will handle all other arguments. And eventually we have a default argument so that when it is invoked without argument, that will work. Now, in this case, our bottom side of repeat function will also change. If func is none, we simply return decorator repeat. And if we get some function, then we repeat returns decorator repeat with a function argument. So we have our hello and say hello. So we can simply call them hello and say first we see execution of hello, and we have to supply it some name. So it should run 5 times. So it ran 5 times. Now we will run say hello, and it should print hello twice. So it's not very complicated. If you see from decorator 4 video, it's very simple. Now let's look at another example. In this case, the decorator will record how many times it has been called. So for that, you will have to have a function attribute here. As you can see, the function wrap count calls has an attribute number of calls. Since function are first class objects, they can have attributes. And every time it is called, we increment the number of calls. So I have called it twice. So it should say that it has been called twice. So you see that it has been called twice. Now let's see another example. Although I have not discussed classes yet, I don't remember actually whether I have discussed classes or not. In this case, we can have a call counter class. This is the constructor of class. So func2 updates the wrapper of init with the function, and we have the attribute num calls to be 0. We make the class callable, call counter class, by overloading the underscore call underscore function. I think I have covered classes because operator overloading reminds me that we have got classes. So we increment the num calls here, and the rest of that is simple. So this is an example of class-based decorator. So we decorate with class, and then we have hello and print words, which will be printed twice. So with this, we come to an end of decorator functions, and we will move on to more advanced topics in Python. Also, I will show some type hinting which has come recently in Python. Not recently, it has been quite some time. So type hinting and all, and we will eventually get into the standard library, because I have been describing function language features, but I have not solved any real problem in Python yet. So please wait. If you have liked this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy programming.